Here's my chickens in a group pile of dirt bathing. They do like their bath. My little Banny was right in the middle of it a while ago and buried. They do like the coolness of the ground, and then to get the old dirt on them, gets all the bugs off. Ooh, there they go, they're watering good. That's Verdi. That's Red. That's Dot. And that one's Kicker. That's a Araucana, a Silver Lace Wyandotte, a Rhode Island Red, and a Dominecker. It's a big old group bath. And that is how chickens take a bath. Believe it or not.